Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Subtle Education. So let me tell you first, this video will going to be in English cause there are other people who don't understand Marathi so that they can also take benefit from this video. This information is not only for students but also for those people who can connect with nature and want to know a little bit more about nature. So stay tuned for more information. Wildlife conservation. Wildlife conservation is nothing but the protecting the endangered species or protecting those species which will going to extinct soon. Not about India but all over the world facing some issues regarding to conservation of wildlife. Let's see what are those. First one is habitat degradation. This is one of the general issue. It rises due to regular collection of fuel wood by cutting the trees and producing non-timber forest by the local communities and native tribes, which is lead to the degradation of habitat. Next one is human wildlife conflict. Wildlife corridor is also a home of native group which actually heavily depend upon forest resources for their livelihood. During the grazing of livestock or during the collection of product from forest, this community exposed to wild animal and sometime these animal attack on such a human beings or sometime livestock which lead to loss of life. Which create the intense human wildlife conflict. Third is fragmentation of forest area. Due to the developmental project such as construction of dams, construction of roads, railways and mining or expansion of villages located in the forest which causes shrinking of habitat of wildlife. The last one is illegal hunting and smuggling. Illegal hunting of tigers for body parts such as skin and bones. It is biggest threat to tiger population around the world. But just not about tiger, all other animal also endangered due to the illegal hunting and smuggling. So for protection of wildlife, government enacted to fight with this issue. Government has taken some initiative. Let's see what kind of initiative government has taken. Government enacted Wildlife Protection Act 1972 for protection of plant and animal species. Several times amendment has made in this act for betterment. If the wildlife project are to be considered, then Project Tiger is at utmost level. Let's have a look at some of the remarkable wildlife conservation project and program. Project Tiger. Back in the early 19th century, about 40,000 Royal Bengal tiger were there in India. With 7 decades, its population to merely 1800. The government looked into the issues and initiated steps to revive the tiger population in the country. Project Tiger was launched on 1st of April 1973 as a major wildlife conservation. It was launched from Jim Corbett National Park of Uttarakhand. The initiative is funded by the Union Government of India and administered under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. When Project Tiger was rolled out in 1973, 9 tiger reserve in area of 9,150 km square. By the late 1980s, number went from 9 to 15. Tiger census carried out every after 4 years and GIS is used to track location of tiger. In 2006, only 1400 tiger left in our country. Guys, compare this number. In 19th century it is 40,000 and in 21st century is only remain 1400. It is kind of a shocking thing for our world or our nation. So government has worked on this project. Tiger census carried out every after 4 years. GIS is used to track location of tiger. In 2006, only 1400 tiger left in our country. This is kind of a shocking news. Guys, compare the numbers. In 19th century it was 40,000 and in 21st century it's only 1400. So government work on this project, and few years after observe positive effect of this project. As we can see in this graph, in 2006 only 1400 tiger left in our country, and in 2014 this number rise to 2226, and in 2018 it observed to be 2967, which was 33% more than 2014 population and more than double from 2006. Everyone is predicting that in 2024 tiger population will be 4000 to 5000 in this range. Karnataka was the state with the highest tiger population in 2014 was 408, and in 2018 Madhya Pradesh was highest tiger population state with number 526. Project Tiger looks after 50 reserve area comprising area about 72,749 km square. India having 75% of tiger population of the world. If we want to keep this statement true in future, then we have to work on this. Second one is Project Elephant. Elephant is the largest terrestrial mammal of India. The requirement of food and water for elephant are very high, and therefore their population can be supported only by forests that are under optimal condition. Asian elephant are confined to Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, some Asian island like Sri Lanka, Indonesia and Malaysia. Project Elephant was launched by the Government of India in the year 1992. Mike program started in South Asia in the year 2003 to stop illegal hunting of elephant. As we can see in this graph, in 2007 elephant population was 27,682. In 2012 it became 30,000, and in 2017 observe slightly fall in elephant population, which was 27,312, and in 2019 it became 29,964. Elephant census is carried out every after 5 years. For protection of wildlife in India, there are 551 sanctuaries covering area 1,19,775 km per square, which is 3.64% of the geographical area of the country, and 104 national park covering area 40,500 km per square, which is 1.23% of India's total surface area. Friends, as you can see, this is list of few sanctuaries which is important from exam point of view. As government running various program and project for protection of wild animal, we can also contribute in this. As we all know, charity begins at home. So we can take few steps to protect this animal. Let's see what we can do. First one is adoption. Adoption does not mean that you bring that animal to your house. Your role is different. You just have to take the responsibility of such a wild animal and provide some money to such an organization. Second one is volunteer. If you don't have money, no worries. You can donate your time. Many organizations and zoo have volunteer program. You can be a part of such a program like a rescue animal, teach visitor and many more. Third one is donate. When you visit any zoo, you pay entry fee. That donation help to maintain conserve area. Fourth one is speak up. Friends, talk about your passion toward the conservation of wild animal to your family, to your friends. It definitely create awareness. Next one is buy responsibly. By not purchasing product made from endangered animal or their parts, you can stop wild animal trafficking. And whenever you visit some places, do not throw trash anywhere. This is harmful. Many birds and other animals can trap their heads in plastic rings. Do your part by putting trash in its place. And few more things you can do, such as planting trees, restoring wetland, and cleaning up beaches. By saving wildlife, we are saving our life also. If you have any queries related to this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. And for more informative videos, you can subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.